little is my mom pinched my nose and then forced me to sip that Chinese herbal water and then put one candy into my mouth. And then I just run away, alright? Yeah, big torture, yeah. But anyway, here groups. But the largest group is Han. It is Han, right? So see, this park is huge. Right here, in that time, here was a lot of palace here. But why we are not allowed to go inside? Yeah, because too many tiles and broken pieces. Yeah, excavating, alright? And also talk about the palace. Why we call Xian is the history tree root? Because history all underneath. We go inside, we can see the palace ruins, the terrace, you know. The wooden structure is gone, but the terrace still. Or in this, we are going to stay in this city for 3 nights. After that, after you're visiting, I'm sure it will make sense. This city is different. This is not only one concrete jungle, you know, we're very westernized city, but we do